Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will learn about the definition of a cell and its basic parts. Before going to start the lecture, it's request for those people who are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification whenever I'll upload the new video on my channel. First of all, we will talk about the definition of cell. Cell is the basic and fundamental unit of life. Basic and fundamental unit of life. It is the smallest unit of our body, or it is the smallest unit of living organism. There are three types of living organism on our earth planet. Number 1, human. Number 2, plants, and number 3, microorganisms. Their body is made up of different groups of these cells, and different groups of these cells make different tissues, and different tissues make different organ, and different organ makes different organ system, and these different organ system makes our body. For example, we have digestive system in our body. The function of digestive system is to break down the food into smaller particle or break down the food into its nutrients. We have circulatory system to provide the oxygen to each cell of our body. We have nervous system to control all the activity of our body. We have urinary system, we have reproductive system, we have hepatic system. So these are called different organ systems. But here we have to talk about the cell. Cell is the smallest, basic and fundamental unit of any living organism. For example, if I'll take my hand, okay, and if I will take a tissue from my hand and if I will study it under the microscope, so the smallest unit which cannot be divided, that smallest unit is called cell. You got my point? Group of cells are combined together, they make tissues. Group of tissues are combined together, they make organ. And different organs are worked together and they make organ system. In this way our body is enabled to do any work. In this video we will emphasize on the eukaryotic cell. So we have to talk about the basic parts of the eukaryotic cells. There are three basic parts of a eukaryotic cell. Number 1, plasma membrane or cell membrane. Number 2, cytoplasm, and number 3, nucleus. First of all, we will talk about cell membrane or plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane is the outermost covering of a cell. It separates the internal metabolic events from the outer environment. All the chemical reaction necessary for maintenance or for reproduction taken place inside the cell, those reactions, those events are separated from the outer environment. This is its main function. Aside from it, it also allows the few substance, few molecule to enter in the cell and go out from the cell. So these two are the main function of plasma membrane. Next basic part is cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm there is a nucleus. The outer section of a nucleus is called cytoplasm. Let me give you example. As we break the egg, inside it there is a white color cytoplasm and yellow color yolk. Alright, so yolk is the nucleus and the white section is the cytoplasm. Alright, so I have give you example of an egg. The semi-fluid present inside the cytoplasm, that semi-fluid is called cytosol. Inside the cytoplasm, small organelles are present and they have their different functions. I already talked you about the organelles in my previous lecture, where I have explained you about eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Here I just want to give you the name of those organelles, such as Golgi body, such as mitochondria, such as lysosome, such as ribosome, such as centrioles. Now we will talk about the last basic part of a cell, which is called nucleus. Nucleus is also called the control center of a cell because it controls all the activity taken place inside the cell. Just because of nuclear envelope or just because of nucleus membrane, the DNA or the chromosome are separated from the cytoplasm. The nucleoplasm is the semi-fluid present inside the nucleus. So here we have learned the definition of a cell. Cell is the basic, smallest and fundamental unit of a life, and it controls all the chemical activity taken place inside the body. We also have learned about three basic parts of the cell. Number 1, cell membrane, number 2, cytoplasm, and number 3, nucleus. So this is today's lecture. I hope you really like this video. If you do, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.